Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I want to talk about the Jasmy crypto coin. Is a $1 Jasmy something that's actually realistic for this bull market? And I want to explore in this video what the targets are right now, as Bitcoin this morning dipped down to $55,000. Are we going to see a lower price for Bitcoin in the short term, and is that going to bleed out Jasmy? We got to take a look at this together in this Jasmy video, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Let's hop into this one. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and take a look at this. Right now, Bitcoin's back up already to $57,500. Flash over to Bitcoin real quick, and you will see just a short 8 hours or so ago, 8 to 12 hours ago, we had Bitcoin slip all the way down early this morning. 1 a.m. or something like that, dipped down to $55,000. Now, we've been talking for a while now about how we've kind of been in this channel for Bitcoin. Yes, we've slipped out on the 4-hourly candle zone, but if you look at the daily candles, the bodies of these candles have really held in this kind of range between these blue bands. So my lowest target right now for Bitcoin, and I think we could see this in September, guys, is $53,000 on a daily candle close for BTC. Of course, we could wick as low as 49, possibly somewhere a little bit lower, maybe right around there. But there's a lot of strength around this $50,000 to $50,000 level. I do think that we'll likely get if we do come down this low, and bearish Septembers are a thing, you know, a $53,000 as a daily candle close low for Bitcoin. If that does happen, guys, then yes, Jasmy should come down and test this level that I've been talking about now, 0.015 or so, right around a penny and a half. This is something you need to be on the lookout for Jasmy for. But can we see a 100x from here? Essentially, well, a little less than a 100x, from here, it's about a 50x to a $1 Jasmy price. And this is what we need to look at, right? We were at $5 at one point in the past, back in February of 2021, right? And then we had a brutal bear market, came back up for a split second here at the very end of the bull market before we really collapsed. And this thing came up to like 34 cents. So like at the peak of the bull market, this thing was at 35 cents. So this is going to be a really tough target for it, no doubt. But we got to remember what happens historically, guys. We do see a total market cap typically find new all-time highs for crypto, and the top crypto projects typically find new all-time highs as well. There are exceptions to that. You know, you can take a look at XRP, but XRP had an ongoing lawsuit which prevented it from surpassing its 2017 highs in the peak of the 2021 bull market because of some of the lawsuits. And so this one, as big as it is, did not achieve new highs. And there's several others out there, like Litecoin, I think just double peaked at its previous high. Some others. So can Jasmy surpass $1? And that's a big question, guys. And, I saw this article today, is a $1 moonshot realistic? And, I'm going to say yes. But in the short term, it's a little too early to be thinking about that dollar. But it could happen. And the reason being is because, again, if Bitcoin does achieve any kind of performance that it's had in the past, which means it's going to come up, probably not to the top of the red band in this Bitcoin rainbow chart, getting kind of lower in the top of these ranges, it's probably going to come up to this orange or yellow range, which means you're going to see anywhere from $136,000 Bitcoin to a potentially $175,000, $225,000 Bitcoin at some point in this next bull market before, this bull market ends and we go into a bear market. We got to keep in mind what's happening to the crypto asset class right now. We've had a beautiful coming up from the bear market, but it's been very stalled out. And so there's no surprise to see, what's going on with Jasmy right now, and that it's kind of slowly been coming down after having a really great start to the year. Look at this blowfin chart, actually really only showing kind of the upside. But if you do look at the Jasmy chart, over here, you will see that this thing in the bottom of the bear market to where it's at right now has actually provided some pretty decent gains, right? I mean, it's up 545%. That's a 5x. That's pretty incredible. I do think that it can achieve the dollar, but in the meantime, we do have to be a little skeptical of what Bitcoin's doing, because though Bitcoin's having a very nice recovery right now, and I am bullish. I have a bullish bias. I think sooner rather than later, we're going to see a $69,000 or $70,000 Bitcoin again, and then in no time, new all-time highs. I think likely it's going to happen in October. October, November timeframe is probably the logical time. Historically, October, November are pretty darn good. But in the meantime, if Bitcoin slips lower, we do have to look out down below for Jasmy at this 0.015, 0.016 level. And I'll tell you, I do believe that we can 3x our previous, bull market peak, which was November 2021 price level for Jasmy. At one point, it was at $5. It doesn't need to get to $5 again. Because honestly, guys, if this thing goes to 34 cents from here alone, if it just does that, you're looking at over 16x gains. That is life-changing wealth you can get with 16x gains. That really is. Now, we can go to $1. Obviously, that's something even better, right? That would be a beautiful 50x from here. Is that possible? I do think that it is, guys. But in the meantime, stay focused. I'm DCAing and hodling on to my favorite coins. Right now, I am just entering the market still because I believe we got a lot of bull market left. Now, I'm curious what you guys think, so leave a comment in the chat down below. If you want to trade Jasmy coin, take advantage of the volatility in this market and ride a dip down to maybe that 0.015 or 0.016 level before we do go up and retest the 33-cent level at some point later in this bull market. You can trade it. I'm Blowfin. This is a no KYC required exchange. Super easy to sign up. Free money when you do deposit money in this exchange. For example, if you put $2,000 into Blowfin, they'll give you $300 to trade for free on the futures side of things. Great leverage trading platform, but please be careful. Do not get liquidated from this market because today, Bitcoin's down due to some greedy liquidations and Nvidia's crashing as well. The tech stocks are going down. S&P 500 down today. September is a bearish month for not only crypto, but traditional markets as well. So hang in there, guys. Can Jasmy hit $1? I do believe that it easily can in this bull market. I think that we're going to see a lot of coins produce well over 10x gains in this bull market. My opinion has not changed on that, but patience is required. And it's okay to take profit along the way. We don't need a 10x, guys. A 2x, 3x, 5x can change your life. And it's good to just take profit on the way up. So be diligent, guys. Do your own research. That's all I have for you on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time.